Hi, fifth grade. Mrs. Keller here. Our assignment for this week of April 13th is fairly easy, but you need to watch the tutorial so that I'm sure you can save and share your songs for future projects with me. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Chrome Music Lab, and if you need the link, I've attached it to this week's assignment as well. And once you go to Chrome Music Lab, I heard a lot of great feedback on all the different applications and experiments you can do. But we're going to go to Songmaker. So you're going into Songmaker, you're going to click the arrow. And once you're in Songmaker, you're going to check that your settings match mine. So for this example, let's go to Settings, the little clock wheel, and I want 4 bars, major scale, start on middle C, 2-octave range, 4 beats per bar, so that's 4 quarter notes per bar. You can then go down to split beats into, and I just want to change it for this week's assignment to 1 to see that you can change your beats to be split to 1 quarter note per box. Then you're going to hit the check button, and that'll save your settings. And now you can see that my 4 measures in Songmaker has switched from eighth notes, or teet, 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 teet in a measure, to ta, 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 new measure, new measure, new measure. You'll also see that the steady beat under each quarter note has changed to 1 beat per bar here. Now, I would leave the tempo at 120, but you of course can also change the tempo of your song by sliding this bar left or right. The final thing you're going to do is show me that you can either keep or switch your melody instrument and your rhythm instrument. So I'm going to keep the marimba for my song, but I'm going to switch my rhythm instrument to conga drums. And that's up to you. You don't have to copy me. So now I'm going to make my song. So let me turn my sound on. And it can be very simple. And once you're done making your 4 measure song, then you're going to add your rhythm down here. So I'm going to click where I want my conga drums to play. And in the congas, you can have multiple sounds at the same time. Then, of course, you can play it to make sure you like it. Okay, now that I've set up my song using both melody, these colored bars on marimba, and percussion or rhythm, the triangles and circles below, and I'm happy with it, I'm going to now save by clicking the bottom circle that says save with the checkbox. Then you would get this message. Your song is saved at this link. I'm going to copy the link, and you have 2 choices because I don't want to download it to my desktop or keep it for later. This is just part of our assignment. And you're going to share your song with me, and there's 2 ways you can share. So let's copy the link. Once it's copied, you have 2 choices. You can either go to a new message in your email, and you would type in my name, eileen.keller@rak12.org, and you can just say Songmaker, maybe my song, or April 13th assignment, whatever you want to do for the heading so I know what it's for. And then all you're going to do is you can say like, hi, Mrs. Keller, here is my song for this week. Or you can just Control V, which means to paste what you saved. So again, you can paste your song by right-clicking and clicking paste, or if you hit Control V, I know you can't see me do it. It'll paste the link to your song. So it's right there. I'm going to take that one out. Then when I hit send, I will get the song in my inbox, and I can click on your link and it'll take me to your song. So that's one way to do it. The other way to send me your song for the week, and again, this is just a short song, no parameters or things that you have to have in your song. It can be as simple as you like. You're then going to also, you could choose to put it in a comment box. So within our assignment, you can comment or tell me your song link. So in your comment box, you would click Control-V here and then send me your song link that way. So there's two ways you can send me the assignment. Don't forget to turn in your assignment by clicking the Turn In button and commenting. I hope you have a great week. If you have any questions, watch the tutorial again. If you have any questions on sending me the link, you can always send me an email or, again, put a comment box and I'll try to walk you through it. But I know you guys are really smart and you'll be great. So I look forward to seeing a short example of your song via Chrome Music. And I'll talk to you all soon. I miss you so much. I miss our laughs. I miss the music into the room songs that we do each week. I just hope you're finding ways to keep yourselves happy and busy. All right, take care. Mrs. Callerow out.